welcome back to my 1086 series. Had ice water rescue training today for firefighter. That was awesome. If you guys are on the fire department and you have any sort of open water, lakes, anything like that, and you live in a cold climate, and you haven't done any sort of ice water rescue training, it is pretty cool. So anyways, I didn't get as much work done today as I would have liked, but one of the things we're going to do here is I've got the oil drained out of the tractor, I've got the filters off. Our oil filter base was leaking, and so I'm going to go ahead and take the oil filter base off now. Hopefully I don't have to take too much else off. I'm going to drop the oil filter base out of there, clean it up, probably paint behind it where we didn't really get paint, and scrape some of that grease and crap off there and just hit it quick with the rattle can. And then I'm going to put a new gasket on there and put the new filters on, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it back up with oil. So I'll just keep it recording, probably do a time lapse like I usually do, but it's a pretty straightforward deal. There's 2, 4, 6 bolts that hold that on. I've got the new gasket already, so we're just going to pop it off of there and pop the new gasket in, put her back together. Alright guys, so we got the new gasket in, got everything put back together, and then we just sprayed a little bit of paint on it to do some touch-up. Once again, it's not a parade quality paint job, but hopefully it'll look good for the few years Dad will use it for. Anyways, that about wraps up that project with that oil filter base gasket. Simple deal. I tried to get it through international just because I was ordering a bunch of other parts, and I figured I'd get them all at the same time. They said I had to go to like international trucks to get it, so I just ordered it from, I believe, A&I instead, because I was ordering some stuff from there. It's like a $10 gasket, so if you've got that dripping underneath there, this was definitely the original gasket. It was like incredibly hard, and you could just tell it had been there for a long time. So yeah, that's about all I got there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, and check back for more.